Hello everyone, this is Jyoti Anand Kaur from Aaron IT Solutions Private Limited. Today is 5th of June, International Environment Day. To celebrate this day, our team came together to do something meaningful for the earth. We started our morning by gathering outside the office. Everyone was excited and full of energy. We picked up small plants and walked together to the roadside nearby, ready to do our part for nature. Each team member planted 2 saplings, took good care while placing them, and then watered them properly. After the plantation, we felt happy and peaceful. But our event didn't end there. I spoke to some of our team members and asked them a few questions about Environment Day. Let's hear what they had to say. One eco-friendly habit that you have recently adopted?
I must to say I adopted one thing. I'm avoiding the plastic made things in my day-to-day routine.
How can we reduce our carbon footprints in our daily life?
By walking more, conserving energy, and choosing the local products.
What does Environment Day mean to you?
Environment Day means to me a special day to appreciate plants and to take care of them, and it also reminds us to take care of nature, keep the water and air clean, so that earth should be healthy for everyone.
How does protecting nature benefits our health and well-being?
It improves air quality, reduces the stress, and also improves our immunity system as well. So in my opinion, health is the biggest wealth. By planting more and more trees, we can achieve that goal.
If you had to choose one thing to help to protect our planet, what would be it?
We should plant more trees. They help clean the air, protect animals, and make the planet more healthier for everyone.
What is your favorite sustainable product?
I actually basically use this in my life right now. I use metal, straws and bamboo toothbrushes because it helps the environment, in creating a more reusable and more effective, So that's what.
What are some simple ways that we all can reduce plastic waste?
First of all, we should recycle properly and avoid single-use plastic. And last, we should buy in bulk. I think these are the ways.
What's the best environmental initiative that you have seen in your community?
Local tree plantation drive that turned our backyard green.
How can we educate our future generation about importance of protecting environment?
By leading by example and including it in school activities and stories.
What does Environment Day mean to you?
Environment Day means a lot to me and to all. It should be like mean a lot to all, like giving something towards environment, like conserving this day, giving at least a moment, something to the environment to save this world. This is the thing which I have think myself about the environmental day. That's all. Thank you.
Why is biodiversity important for the planet?
I believe biodiversity is important because it supports all life forms, and it you can say garners the ecosystem. So that's why biodiversity is a very important factor.
Led by Mr. Raman Agarwal, Mrs. Anju Agarwal and Mr. Shri Agarwal.